Hi everyone. Did you know you're not guaranteed a phone call after you get to jail? This is Christina Williams with Just Criminal Law.
And David Mann, legal storytelling specialist. Okay, so you're not given a phone call right away when you get to jail. This is what you always see in TV shows and stuff. You got that one phone call and one phone call only, but you're saying there's actually no phone call.
Absolutely. There is no right to a phone call. And if you get to the jail and they're busy, they're absolutely not going to make it a priority to let you reach out to a friend or family member. So an important thing to remember is once the officer tells you you're under arrest, you need to remain calm, be polite, and ask them, can I call a friend or family member and let them know I'm going to jail?
Okay, so this has to happen immediately, and why is that?
Well, very soon after you're arrested, you're going to be handcuffed and they're going to take, your wallet, your keys, and your cell phone and put them in your personal property at the jail, but you'll no longer have access to them.
And when you're in the squad car, you're also not going to have use of your hands because they might be in handcuffs. Is that right?
Yes. And so you're under arrest, you're handcuffed, and you're on your way to the jail. And it might be, simply one night in jail and you see the judge the next day, or you may end up being in jail the entire weekend. So it's really important to take this moment and try to get a hold of somebody. But don't just let your friend or family member know you're under arrest and you're headed to jail. Also, ask them to reach out to an attorney so you have someone there with you the next day or Monday.
Okay, so those are very important things to remember. Probably, you got to really remember this because you're going to be, sort of tense and it's anxiety producing being arrested. But this is very important to remember, the thing about the using your cell phone right away. But then what else does everyone need to remember when they get arrested?
That you should stop making any more statements. And, what follows that is when you get in front of the judge, you need to make sure you plead not guilty. Even if your friend or family member doesn't have an attorney there with you in court and you think, well, I'm guilty, I did it. It's so important to get an attorney, to let the attorney look at what happened. So by all means, plead not guilty.
All right, so don't talk, like we've said in many videos, don't say too much, and plead guilty, or plead not guilty. Make sure to plead not guilty when you're in front of the judge. Your family members should call an attorney, and that attorney should be you. So how might they do that?
Sure, we'll include a link in the description where they can call, text, or chat with a member of my team anytime, day or night. Here at Just Criminal Law, we know you only get one shot at justice, so make yours count.